Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am out here, I'm going to wash my car. Today we are going to be using the Magnum 28 foam cannon kit from WABAM. Now actually I picked this up last weekend, I believe, out at Heydays down in North Branch, Minnesota. And out of all the foam cannons I've ever used before, I'd say this one is by far the best and the highest quality. So it's actually a Velocity performance product, and it's all made out of stainless steel and brass, so there isn't really much plastic on it besides the few plastic things you have on there, I guess. But in this kit, now I have used it before, but it comes with your mixer bottle, comes with your head with a hose that reaches down to siphon it out, comes with another gun to use it on. We can do something like that. However, this will not hook up to your standard pressure washer. What this is for, it's actually hooking up to a garden hose, but I have the male end here, and you can't connect it to another male end garden hose. So I don't know if it's like something to do with Italy or what it is, but right now I technically can't use it just like this because this is the male end. I need the female end to get it to work properly. But anyways, it's kind of nice that it does come with that. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it's Italy that has a weird restriction like that or what's going on. But then it also comes with a 40-degree spray nozzle, so I'd assume for just washing a vehicle off. And it comes with, I believe, another orifice for this, so I don't know which is which, but it comes with all those pieces. Now, I bought this kit, I got a good deal on it. I spent about 150 bucks on it. I'll actually drop the link in the description below. They retail for about $170. I don't know if I've seen it any cheaper online. Now, as far as soap usage goes, I've washed 4 vehicles with this now, and I've only used a quarter of the bottle. And you only got to use, they recommend 1 to 2 ounces per vehicle. Well, I fill it up to about there. So again, not a ton in there, just a little bit, and then you're just going to fill the rest with water. Slosh it around a little bit. They weren't kidding when they literally call it whiteout. So not only is this stuff extremely thick, but like, it just doesn't really run off either. Now you can kind of see that on the sides it's running off slowly but surely. However, if I were to increase the amount of soap I put in my mixer bottle there, then it would definitely be a lot thicker. But I mean, you can still see this stuff is just caked on there. So I'd say, you know, this is definitely worth it, in my opinion. At least the soap is. I'm pretty happy with the foam cannon. I actually had a different foam cannon that I ended up buying from Walmart, which, God forbid, why would you ever buy something from there? And it only hooked up to a garden hose, which I didn't realize, and I was planning on using it out of a pressure washer, and it was like you're just squirting water with a little bit of soap out of it. Like, there was nothing to it. It was not even close to what we got here. But you can see just how well that coated the whole vehicle. And there's still, looks to be about a good amount left in here. I probably get back to washing it. We'll wash all this off so you guys can see the results. Overall impressions, by far really impressed with this. Now, it would work a lot better as well if I, one, had warm water instead of cold water, and two, actually scrubbed my vehicle after I put the soap on. Generally, I don't do that just because it's my beater. I really don't feel like it. It's nice just to wash it, but that's about it. But go ahead and check out WABAM. Again, we are not paid, we are not sponsored by anybody. It's just a general product review, so everybody else knows about this. But again, go check them out. They got a great product, they got a great website. They actually just released a ceramic coating similar to this, but same application. You put it in your foam cannon, and then you just spray it on your vehicle, let it sit, and then rinse it off, and then you got ceramic coat applied for up to like 30 days, I think is what it said. But go ahead and check them out, and let me know what you guys think.